with Talal and Ahmad. He is from Egypt and he is from Chinese. He has no any warranty. He Chinese. But he is my friend. He also my friend. Very close to me. And Alhamdulillah, Talal is newly converted Muslim. So we should have to congratulate him. And may Allah bless him always and may Allah succeed him in every step of your life. आप सब लोगों ने इसके लिए दुआ करना और अप्रिशिएट करना है और इनको वेलकम करना है, क्योंकि ये नया मुसलमान हो गया है और हम आज उम्रे के लिए आए हैं, तो बड़ा मज़ा आ गया। और अल्लाह ताला इनको कामयाब करे हमेशा और अल्लाह ताला इनको साबित कदम रखे। और ये अहमद है, माशाल्लाह, ये भी हमारे साथ, हम एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं, वेरी क्लोज है, हमारे भाइयों की तरह है। तो अहमद, say salam and say something about Talal and congratulations to Talal.
This was very great. I enjoyed helping him, doing his first Umrah. Inshallah, God accepts his Umrah and our Umrah.
Thank you. And Ahmad is the one, he in the whole trip and in the whole journey and in the whole Umrah, he guided Talal very well, and Talal is here with us. Talal, say something and say salam. And congratulations to you, the Umrah. Say salam. And say something. Okay. Guys, congratulate him and welcome him to Talal. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.